Well, members of the FSU College of Medicine held a briefing this morning on the Supreme Court's decision to uphold healthcare reform.
They tried to help people better understand the very complicated ruling and the Affordable Care Act. Eyewitness News reporter Matt Gelka is on FSU's campus to break it all down for us. Matt?
Andy, Angela, the briefing couldn't have come at a better time. Just yesterday, poll results were released showing that less than 60% of Americans knew that the Supreme Court upheld the healthcare law. And folks around here said we still have a lot more to learn about it.
How can a governor say he's not going to follow a constitutional law?
A lot of questions still surround the Supreme Court's ruling upholding most parts of the healthcare reform plan. Two recent polls, one from the Pew Research Center and the other from the Kaiser Family Foundation, showed that less than 60% of Americans knew what the Supreme Court decision was.
I understand that a lot of people might not understand the issues in depth, but the fact that people aren't even aware of what is happening is a little distressing.
Marshall Kapp didn't lead this healthcare decision forum because of the poll results, but the goal of the briefing was to educate those out there that may not entirely understand how we are affected.
The issues are complicated. Each issue is a potentially multi-billion-dollar issue.
Healthcare providers will be affected by the bill. That's why many med students showed up to see what they could learn.
I was hoping to get some of the impact towards physicians and insurance premiums of that sort, being that when I'm going to be a future physician.
Kapp says that anyone with questions shouldn't be afraid to ask around.
The more different perspectives that you can listen to and try to absorb and take into account, the fuller and the richer understanding you're likely to have.
And Kapp did say that this is a big experiment, like most new legislation is. He said that a lot of the front-loaded benefits of the law, like a child being able to stay under his parents' insurance until the age of 26, can actually cost people down the line and have an adverse effect on affordability, but we'll have to wait a few years to see what works with the law and what doesn't. For now, live on FSU's campus, Matt Gelka, WCTV Eyewitness News.